Welcome back, everybody, people to TechSpress. Today, what we're going to do is to show you how to get started with Reddit for your business. So you heard that Reddit has a hard place for businesses. You are not wrong, but if you approach it correctly, it can be massive sources of qualified traffic, market research, and loyal customers. We're going to be giving you a complete beginner's guide of how you can get started. First of all, let's understand the Reddit mindset. So Reddit is a network of thousands of small, specialized community called subreddits. These communities hate spam, promotional links, and over sale pitches. So your primary goal is to be a resource, not a sales representative. So to get started with course, you're joining a conversation, not interrupting it. So never use your business account solely to pass product links. So focus on sharing genuine expertise, answer questions, and participate in the discussion related to your industry. Really important that. So let's create a professional account and find your subreddits. So first, what you want to do is to just generate your first account. So you might be needing a course to find where your audience lives. What you want to do is to use the search bar to find subreddit relevant to your niche. For example, if you are selling high-end coffee equipment, you will search for here into the upper side, for example. I'm going to type the word coffee. Something really easy. You have coffee shop, coffee brown, coffee here. So check out, join 3 to 5 highly relevant subreddits and crucially read the rules. Every subreddit and crucially rules, it's about posting. It's about breaking them with results and an immediate ban. So take that in mind. For example, here, coffee back with a future roast date. I'm going to scroll a little bit down. Let's see what we can have here. Got into coffee slump. So if you find something readable, you select that option, and then what you can do is then now to subscribe or join this specific element, and you are now joined it. So this is the thing where you want to establish the authority. So before you post anything related to your business, you need to establish a professional reputation. This is known as building the karma into Reddit. So spend your first 2 to 4 weeks nothing but commenting. So read posts, offer genuine advice, and answer questions without linking to your company. So show your professional expertise freely. This builds trust within the community, and you will start to accumulate up votes or karma, which signifies the respect to the users. For example, usually these kind of people have questions. For example, welcome to the daily. Hi, usually I tried the explore box of computer coffee because of blah 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 blah. What do you think about it? Then what you can do is now to start entering the conversation and start building your own karma. Then now it's going to be time to create value-driven content. So the 1-to-1, the not a one rule, of course. Once you have established yourself, you can start posting original content. So we want to follow the 9-to-1 rule. For every one promotional post, you should have 9 non-promotional value-adding posts. Your promotional post should not be a product linked. Instead, it should be a deep dive piece of content that naturally features your product as a solution. For example, if you sell a software, then you wanted to post a detailed how-to guide solving here into the upper side. Let's say that my intention, of course, is to sell a software. So if I focus with how to guide someone to focus in a specific problem, then you can mention your software as one of the best tools for the job. If you sell a physical product, for example, post an original high-quality photo of your product and use asking for feedback or showing a clever application but without a direct sales pitch. This is going to be really, really important. Always link to your website's homepage or a highly educational resource, not a direct product page. So if I'm just going to do this really fast, I'm going to go for a product page. And we can see the best product pages of the Shopify, for example. Shopify is known for the generation of a lot of websites and brandings. So you can see that here is a question and here's the answer. 24 hours trading on e-shares at Pepperstone, relief from risk of gaping. Pepperstone. But this is not exactly what I'm actually looking for. I'm like trying to look for something more important, which is the best product page is always for subject to you. And this one brings us a lot of information. And here, this one has a lot of, in this case, let's call it karma. So the most successful businesses the Reddit leverages on the Ask Me Anything or the AMA format. If you or a leader in your company has unique professional expertise, host an AMA in a relevant subreddit. This allows the community to ask questions directly, positioning you as an expert and building unparalleled goodwill. So, all of this can be done directly into the Create tab, where you can just generate such as spoilers, quote blocks, coding, code blocking, and tables. Doing a lot of stuff, even generating the poll. But the poll, it's only working with the application so far directly here into Reddit. Always check the popular tab, check out the Reddit answers, and explore more fields as you're getting started directly inside Reddit. So if you found this video helpful, guys, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Express for more fast and easy tech solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully, guys, we can all see you next time.